Then we gotta scoop all these three up, like, by.
Well, thank you for helping.
She was supposed to be back in heat yesterday and she ain't in heat, so.
Ooh, buddy. Bam.
He's 100. Yeah. Boy, you better keep a close eye on them cows. Damn, you popping like an old lady.
Who's popping like an old lady?
I'm not sure. Yeah, I got a splitter right there, so I don't need that.
Oh, man. In case you didn't know, I have a worm bed. Boop. These are hatching out. And you can't really see because of the sides of the thing. Oh, that is aggravating. Hey, Hans, it's your little babies. They're my sweet babies. Let me put my shoe on.
Training. All right, man. All right, sounds good. Yeah, okay. My socket is broke.
You got another one?
No!
I imagine you do over there. Let me go find one here.
It's not a socket, honey. It's my extension for my drill. My socket is broke.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while
I just want to figure out what's for supper tonight. Let's stop it in here. Pork chop. Yep. That's just sausage, I think. What is that one? I probably need to put one of those in the crock pot.
Put them next to like one at the bottom and one about halfway up.
That sounded terrible. Like where the thing goes to the thing. I mean, you can probably put some liquid electrical tape on it. Yeah. And I'll leave everybody out until I get back from... I had 17 little babies hatch. Look at how much big sheet. Look at them little babies big sheet. I'm going to move them to their brooder when we get home. And there's one more that's for sure hatching out right now. But look at them little babies.